Hi guys, welcome back to Dr. Lou's Low Carb Diets. I'm Dr. Lou. Now, what we're looking at today is going to be the 5 top benefits of a ketogenic diet. So, if you're here to understand why a ketogenic diet is going to be conducive for your health, right guys, so we're going to look at this to understand how you can be confident on your ketogenic diet and you can be 100% confirmed in your mind with science that this is the diet for me. It's healthy for me. It's also going to make me drop loads of fat. And you're also then going to be able to continue it in a proper fashion that the weight will stay off. So guys, let's have a look at the 5 main benefits of a keto diet. Okay guys, benefit number 1. So the first benefit on a keto diet is very simple. It's faster fat burning and weight loss. Your body burns stored fat for fuel, helping you lose weight faster. So, how does that work? It's very simple. If you go on a calorie restricted diet, then that's not going to work nowhere near as quickly as a keto diet. And why is that? Well, let me give you a simple understanding. On a calorie restricted diet, what happens is that you eat a very low amount of food, and then what happens is you burn that off, you burn all your carbs off, but then you've got to go through the step to burn off your polysaccharides, which is called glycogen. We refer to it fondly as animal starch, which it isn't a starch. And then you break that up, you lose all that glucose, and when that glucose is used, you then start burning your fat. So, the problem is when you start burning your fat, you eat again and you eat a lot of carbs, and that then pushes your carbs up again. You've got all your energy, so you've got to burn your carbs again. Then you've got to go through, if you've made your glycogen, then you've got to go back to burning fat. That's why it's nowhere near as efficient as a keto diet. What happens on a keto diet? I'll tell you. You stop taking carbs, you burn off your glucose in your blood, you break down your glycogen, and after that's broken down and you drop all the glycogen is being out of your body, you then go on to burning your fat. Lipolysis happens, you break down the fat in your adipose tissue, and then lipolysis will turn it into fatty acids. They go off, you burn fatty acid all in your body, and then you make some into ketones and burn it in the most important parts of your body that love efficient energy. There you go guys, and then that just continues. There's no, stop, we've got to go back to burn carbs, go back to glycogen, bam, fat all the way guys. That's why it triumphs over nearly every diet. It beats every diet for health. So, here we go. Benefit number 1, yes, faster fat burning and weight loss, 100% true. Now, moving on guys to number 2. Number 2, stable energy levels. So, keto provides steady, long-lasting energy without the crashes and slumps. The energy all day, improved focus and productivity, better endurance and performance, feel better, do more. What does that mean? Well, it's really simple. Because you're burning fat, it's a constant normal with a lovely stable insulin level with no spikes in your insulin level all jumping up and down. You don't get loads of panics in your body. You don't have to flush out things. You're turning there and you're just burning off the fat and making yourself healthier all the time. You're then making ketones, and those ketones are massively efficient, fantastic focused fuel for your brain and other important parts of your body. Your brain is the number 1 there. You look after it with ketones. That's why it's ketosis, and that's why you've got a fantastic source of stable, clean energy. Okay guys, so number 3, reduced hunger and cravings. So, keto helps control appetite and keeps you full for longer, making it easier to stick to your goals. Right guys, so this is very easy to understand. When it comes to keto, you're getting tons of fat and protein in your diet, or you should be, so make sure you do. Now, when you get all of that, and you take obviously your electrolytes, just in case, vitamins and other supplements I advocate, you can go to my meal plan and see them. Now, when you get those, what happens is your body is so happy, you continue to basically just continue in your fat burning process, and your body doesn't panic. If you drop weight too quickly, for example, during a fast, your body will go absolutely nuts and get scared and go, alarm bells on, we're burning too much weight, put on the stop the fat burning, and that's what will happen. So, you don't have that. You have a lovely, steady, constant supply of protein and fat, good electrolytes, good at all your vitamins and minerals. You are taking supplements, you're fantastically happy and secure. Your body will lose lots of weight. Now, I advocate breaking your diet about 6 to 12 weeks to do a cyclical diet where you basically break your diet, and then what happens is that you basically take into a normal carb diet. Don't go nuts with the carbs, just go into a normal one. What will happen is your body will actually get overconfident, then start reproducing all your cells brand new. And then what you do is you go, thanks a lot, and you go back on the diet, and then you extend the life of those cells to the optimum range, which helps you to be able to have a healthier, longer life. Now, benefit-free, reduced hunger and cravings, 100%. That's a proven scientific fact. Satiety, having no hunger, and your cravings disappearing because of steady insulin, you're going to be there and go, hey, I'm not so hungry, I'm all satisfied, I've got plenty of fat and protein. This is a good diet. We have benefit number 4. So here we go. Better mental clarity and focus. So this is coming from obviously the fact that you're not just burning your energy from glucose, which is a good fast source and your body likes it, but it causes lots of problems, and the way you get it and the sugars and the insulin spikes, inflammation, all these things are quite negative. So what you've got is better mental clarity and focus because your body isn't silly. It's known you don't have your glucose, so it's switched over and said, okay, we don't have glucose, we need to make ketones in our liver, so we've got fatty acids for most of the body. Let's make this fantastic energy molecule in the body, which isn't carbohydrate or fat. It's called a ketone, and that ketone energy molecule is amazingly efficient and clean to give you stable, fantastic energy. Your brain becomes a super focused computer. This is what you have to understand. You will be sharp and you'll be precise. Now, that's why you have a clearer mind. Ketones provide a clean, efficient fuel for your brain, helping you think clearer, stay focused, and get more done. This is 100% true. It's not one little bit of doubt. It's all science. You can go and research it, guys. That's 100% true. Don't even for 1 second just believe I'm telling you the truth. Go research it online and look for a proper scientific place. It would tell you there, 100% true. Why do I say this? Well, because too many people trust hearing someone on the media say something like silly, like salt is bad for you, eggs are bad for you, when they're both massively important to your thought pathways and a good, healthy life for your diet. Now, so make sure improved concentration, sharper thinking, better memory and recall, enhanced productivity. So all of those are 100% true, guys, and that's exactly why this is number 4 for the benefit for a keto diet. So moving on to benefit number 5. So looking at number 5, guys, this is very important. So improved blood sugar control. When you have your improved blood sugar control, this has a massive knock-on effect for many things. So obviously you don't have high insulin, you're not getting inflammation, you're not having fat storage locked up, because high insulin will lock off your fat burning. So you tell your body to stop burning energy. So this is one of the main reasons why it's so important on the ketogenic diet. It helps with many things. It stops crashes and bad feelings, low energy, sugar cravings. So you have obviously the steady energy that comes with that as well. And on top of that, it's promoting your heart health as well as long-term health. You're not going through those crazy crashes. Your body loves something called homeostasis, meaning it loves a nice clear balance, constant and steady. So this is in the science as well. So the more you have these up and down, your body is running around trying to re-establish that balance of chemicals in your body. Now, so what happens is when you have one extreme and it's not balanced, you go into that massive alert, you got inflammation, you got a whole range of things. You get excited, you can panic, you get all these things. Say for example, you're a person as well who's easily excitable or fully very emotional. If you get a lot of sugar, you're going to get super panicky, and that is one thing you could actually benefit from having a keto diet. Calm yourself down. Now, what happens on top of that is with coming down as well, you crash. So when you crash with in your insulin, you're also then panicking because it's too low. So then again, you get the tired, lethargic feeling, and it has to come back up, back to normal. Then you feel fine. So that's why ketosis is such an advantage. Your insulin is pretty much steady, and that unlocks fat burning, and you're burning tons of fat. Job done. So guys, that's the 5th benefit, and all of those benefits are 100% backed by science. You can go look at the research. If you go for the research, go to government websites, go to established, respected science scientific websites. Do not go to any places where they're not established, like for example Wikipedia. Lots of great knowledge, but not 100% official or backed. Go to journal-backed science. Go to the government's web pages, look at all of them, and they correlate. You know you're onto a winner of a piece of research. So that's the main idea what to do, guys. You've got the benefits of a keto diet, and now you know the benefits you're going to get. So if you have any questions, please pop them in the comments, thumbs up, and subscribe. Okay, guys, I'll see you on the next one.